Hello, today I would like to explain one of the most frequently asked questions when we talk about our scheduling software. Does Asprova consider material availability? Shortly, yes, of course. But for the sake of this video, I prepared a small demo file which we'll have a closer look together. This is our resource Gantt chart. On the left-hand side, we can see all the resources, consisting of purchase orders, the stocks, subdivided into respective articles, the assembly lines 1 and 2, the employees, shown as a load ratio graph, the different tools, and the sales orders. For demonstration purposes, we assume a simple one-step production. For this, we switch to the integrate master data so it's more clearly. One important point that distinguishes us from ERP systems with planning tools is that we combine the bill of materials, the brown rows, and the routings, the green ones, in one table, the integrated master data. This allows Asprova to plan the entire value-added chain consistently with finite capacities, all by taking material availability, main resources, and sub-resources into account. In our example, we can see that both articles can be produced on assembly line 1 and 2, represented as the resource group assembly total. For each article, a connecting rod and a piston in the correct alloy is needed. Furthermore, we need an operator and a corresponding tool. We are talking about a multi-level finite planning. Now let's have a look at the order table. In total, we have 21 sales orders which are already confirmed by the customer. You can see that orders 22 and 23 are disabled. We will activate those and reschedule. Scheduling is done by pressing this button or via F5. We can see that order 22 will be delivered on time. Order 23 unfortunately not. Why is this? For this, we switch back to the resource Gantt chart. Asprova has automatically generated purchase orders for all missing materials. We can see that the purchase lead time for piston 4032 is 10 days. Therefore, we cannot start earlier with the production because there are simply no materials available. We can see this in the graphical overview as well. On the 12th of February, we can see that we have 304 pieces of piston 4032 in stock. This is obviously not enough to fulfill a custom amount of 3,200 pieces. Once delivery arrives on the 17th of February, we have enough materials in stock to start production. Instead of having a purchase lead time of 10 days, we will assume that the lead time will now be 7 days. Now let's reschedule. Asprova recognized the new delivery date of the piston 4032 and automatically adjusted scheduling results according to the availability of the material. In the order table, we can see that the order 23 is no longer a late order. Please bear in mind that this example was deliberately kept very simple, so I would like to show you another short example of a production. Here you can see an example from a mold construction for plastic injection molding. To produce the mold F2805, all orange fields must be present for assembly. Asprova automatically checks the material availability for each individual component and creates new production orders and/or purchase orders if not available. I hope you enjoyed this little video. For more information, please have a look at our other videos or write us an email. We are more than happy to clarify your detailed questions with you personally. Thank you.